This is for a quick repair of the Dyson DC18. It's a common problem with these units where the undercarriage valve stops switching between the hose and the floor attachment, and that's because there's a little tab right here that breaks off, and that's used to actuate this little mechanism right here, where if you push this forward, that valve will close. You can see it and there start to close. And so there's an actual easy fix for this. Let's pop this back open. Where you just need to, I'm going to try JB welding a little piece of plastic I picked up at the hardware store. I'll show you. And that's going to act as that little arm that could rotate this mechanism in here. So what I'm going to try is, I went to the hardware store and I picked up this, it's a 90-degree nylon 1/4 inch barbed hose fitting. So you can see I kind of trimmed the fitting up, just the remnants of it. So I used a razor blade, I trimmed this little piece up to where it pretty much matches in there perfectly. And I'm gonna see if I could just JB weld that on there, clamp it down, and see if that fixes it. Use sandpaper to roughen up the surface of the nylon, and also on the vacuum mechanism, just get that surface roughened up so the JB weld has something to latch onto. But this stuff stinks. It smells like sardines. Okay, put that in here. And let's go over to the vacuum cleaner. Okay, got a little binder clip here. Hopefully that could hold it somewhat decently. Try not to get it on the moving parts. I'm just going to kind of fill this in here. pretty much it. No idea if this is going to hold or not, but we'll find out. I picked this up for free. It was sitting by the dumpster. Took it home. Motor turned up, but it didn't have any suction. And I took the thing apart, took all the hoses out, and there was paper just jammed up in here, like someone had sucked up a bunch of paper. And they probably tried hitting this foot pedal, going back and forth with it. And this the valve wouldn't rotate because the paper was jammed in there, and they probably just snapped that little lever right off. So okay. Well, I'll let that cure for overnight, and we'll come back to it. Alright, I got the nylon barb JB welded in there. This was the 1/4-inch nylon fitting I used, and I cut it to fit in there. I wish I had actually used this 3/16 inch barb. This would have fit better. So if you're going to do this, try to get your hands on the 3/16 size. But it still works. I'll show you here. You can see the valve actuate when this thing catches. So there you have it. And then back up. That's it. Easy fix. And you don't have to spend all the money trying to find this stupid undercarriage assembly, because you can't just buy this one piece of it. You have to buy the whole assembly, and you can't even find it anymore because this vacuum is too old.